I'm in my laundry room today and I wanted to refresh my gift wrapping drawer. So I thought how timely to do a tour of how I set up my gift wrapping materials and give a tour of how I keep things orderly. This is my laundry room and I have this peninsula that we try to keep clear as much as possible. And I have one drawer that is designated for gift wrapping material. I love having this drawer right by the countertop because I love being able to just wrap gifts, knowing that all of my tools and materials are here. Quick run through what is here. Some Scotch tape, heavy duty scissors, gift wrapping scissors, an X-Acto knife, pens and markers, a small circle, small diameter hole punch, elastic bands, those are helpful. What is this? Doesn't belong. Goes into hardware miscellaneous. Elastic bands, Christmas, sticker tags, gift tags, post-it notes, glue dots, decorative stickers, tape, packing tape, masking tape, and some string. I have two MVPs in this drawer. I joke that I relationshiped into these scissors. These came with my husband when we merged our lives together, and I just noticed that it was a pair of scissors, that they are a pair of scissors that were really good at cutting wrapping paper, and so that's why I labeled it wrapping paper scissors. And these now live here, and if they ever walk off, we know that this is where they are supposed to be. MVP number 2 is my heavyweight tape dispenser. I have 2 of these. I love this so much because it's heavy and it does not slide across any surface as I'm trying to dispense tape. Over here I have, this is small scrap pieces of wrapping paper that I think that I might be able to use to wrap smaller gifts. I only ever stock one style of wrapping paper, and that's this craft style. This is simply too tall for where I would ordinarily store, which would be in this container, wrapping and contact paper. So once that roll is done, I'll just ensure that the next roll that I get will fit in this cupboard. The part that I wanted to refresh was integrating this wax sealing kit into here, because I know I don't know why it only recently dawned on me that I should have it live in here. So what can I do? I can merge I'm so pleased that the drawer is refreshed and ready for the holiday season. I just wanted to comment about 2 details. Detail number 1, I don't use gift bags. I always donate any gift bags that I receive, and it's simply because I love the act of wrapping gifts. So for that reason, we don't have any gift bags. Detail number 2, I would be content to wrap everything, even during the holiday season, with my beautiful brown craft paper, whatever ribbon or whatever thread, whatever string, whatever materials I have in this drawer, I would be content with that. My husband loves being festive, and so for the holiday season, we usually purchase a handful of seasonal wrapping paper. We use them to the end, and then whatever isn't wrapped properly, we'll either go out and get some more, or we'll just wrap with the craft paper. I'm Romina. Thanks for sharing your time.